Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Trishauna and today we'll be doing a wig tutorial and installment using the Sensationnel Shear Muse DIY weaving system, and this consists of a 3-way moon part closure and bundles in the inches 18, 20 and 22, and this is the deep wave curly texture. I paid $24.99 for this here, and to make this wig I'll be using a canvas head, hair clips, stocking caps, thread, but this is optional, got to be glued, freeze spray, hair bonding glue, T-pins and needles, and a pair of scissors. Now I start off by placing the stocking cap on the wig head or the canvas head, and this is the closure that I got with the hair. It also has baby hairs, and I use the T-pins to secure the closure in the position that I wanted it, and I use the hair clips to keep the hair out of my way. Now I decided to sew down the closure, but of course you can just glue it down, and I basically just sewed around the entire lace. Now here I'm placing a plastic bag over the canvas head because I wanted to protect it from the glue that I'm about to use. So I start off by measuring and cutting the hair, and then I added glue to the track of the hair, placed it on the stocking cap, and then proceeded to spray it with the got to be glued freeze spray. Now I measured, cut the hair or the track, added glue, and then placed it on the stocking cap, and then sprayed it with the got to be glued hair. And I basically continued to do this repetitively until the gap was filled with hair, and I did this in a horseshoe type of shape. And I did it until I reached the laced section of the closure, and I basically just closed up the space that was left. Now I took out the hair clips, and basically this is how the wig looks when it's done. Now I took off the plastic bag, basically just ripped it from inside of the wig because we don't need it anymore, and I cut out the stocking cap that was underneath the lace of the closure. And as you can see there, we only have the lace showing. Now I cornrowed my hair straight back and then placed a stocking cap on my head. I got this with the hair as well, and proceeded to cut the lace from off of the closure, and then just placed the wig on my head. After positioning the wig the way that I like, I proceeded to cut the baby hairs, and I used Murray's edge control to kind of slick them down. I did my best with them because I'm not really a fan of baby hairs. And then I used the got to be glued freeze spray to kind of hold the curls of the wig in place and the style itself. Now at this point I was basically done styling. Really, this wig is for if you're looking for a quick fix, like you're hurrying to get out of the house, you have to go somewhere quick and you don't have time to order like real bundles and everything. This is the type of hair. I would basically give it like a 7 or 6.5 out of 10. It's not the best, but this is what I ended up with. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If so, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video.